Hello everyone, this is Professor Brugnera. The Master's degree in Clinical Psychology for Individuals, Families and Organizations is one of the 3 clinical psychology programs offered at the University of Bergamo and the only one fully delivered in English. This program prepares students to identify and address the needs of individuals, families, communities and workplaces, tackling contemporary social and psychological challenges. In addition to traditional classroom instruction, students participate in group projects and workshops led by experienced faculty members with strong clinical and research backgrounds. Science field experience is essential. Internships are carried out at various local organizations, including hospitals, private practices, associations, and companies, offering the opportunity to work in Italian. Additionally, students can engage in extracurricular activities or study abroad at partner universities. The master's degree qualifies students to become licensed psychologists in Italy. Upon completion of their studies, graduates are prepared to work in healthcare, prevention, and wellness settings, including companies, institutions, and non-profit organizations. Employment data indicate that approximately 3 out of 4 graduates secure a job within 1 year of graduation. At the University of Bergamo, we provide training focused on diagnosis and multi-professional intervention, with particular attention to the relationship between the professional and the client, which is an essential aspect of care context. Our approach follows the biopsychosocial model, considering individual, relational, and environmental factors across all life stages to promote health in a comprehensive and integrated manner.